Hi there, students. Hortative, hortatory. These are both adjectives. So hortative, hortatory. This is from exhort. This is to pressure somebody to do something, to encourage them to do it, to exhort them to do it, yeah, to try to incite somebody to do something. So the politician was giving a hortative speech, trying to encourage people to vote for him. So to hortative, something that urges, something that encourages, something that pushes you to do something. Yeah, somebody's exhorting you to do something. So the politician gave a hortative speech, a hortatory speech. Hortatory, trying strongly to persuade someone to do something. His hortatory style means that people normally follow what he's said. Okay, so hortatory, pushing people, urging people to do something, advising them, encouraging them, inciting them to do it, to try to get them to do it. You could have a hortative tense. Yeah, hortatives in grammar are a set of imperative subjunctives. Yeah, that you really must do this. It is essential that this be done. That's going to be a hortative, or pretty close. Yeah, it is a must that this be done. So hortative, something that gives very strong encouragement to do something. Yeah, urging somebody to do something. A hortatory speech, hortatory, hortative speech, hortatory. Both are the same. Yeah, they are trying to get someone to do something, to tell them to do it. The general, before a battle, goes up and down making hortatory statements. Yeah, he's pushing people to do what he says, follow my words, do what I say. Yeah, advising or warning, to give exhortation to exhort somebody to do. And that's, yeah, that hort bit is there. So a hortatory speech, yeah, it's advisory, but it's very strongly advisory. Hortatively, he spoke hortatively, telling us exactly what we should do. The priest gave hortatory sermons. Yeah, otherwise you'll go to hell. Yeah, so this this is what you must do. You're urging some course of action, hortative. To yeah, his hortative words were urging us to do as much work as possible, encouraging, animating somebody to do something. Yeah, a very hortative character, tending to exhort, serving to encourage, to urge people to take one particular course of action or another. Okay, so let's see. Formality, hortative. This is a pretty formal verb. I'm going to give this a 7, 7.5. Use it in a semi-formal writing or a semi-formal or a formal writing. Semi-formal conversation, maybe, but it's pretty formal. And then as to origin, it first appeared from late Latin hortatorius, encouraging or cheering. But this is the past participle of the verb hortare, to exhort, to encourage somebody to do something. And that's the idea of it. Okay, to exhort somebody to do something. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, um, I will make a hortative statement that you should give it a rating. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. That's definitely hortative. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Hortatory, hortative.